Hello, welcome to Initial Solution. I'm going to show you how to convert iPhone video to MP4. Let's start in browser and search convert iPhone video to MP4 online. Click onlineconverter.com. Change it to video to MP4. Click on choose file and now select and open the video. Hit the convert button. Wait for some time and click download now. That's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check